Welcome, nature enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the deep blue to discover the most incredible seabirds on the planet. From the Arctic chill to the tropical warmth, these winged wonders navigate the oceans like true masters. Join me for a quick flight around the globe as we explore the stunning beauty and unique adaptations of these amazing seabirds. Let's dive right in. 10. Kittiwake. The graceful, strikingly plumed kittiwake is a coastal seabird that is commonly found in the northern oceans. They are well known for both their unusual calling and for building their nests atop rocky outcrops and steep cliffs. Swift and proficient hunters, kittiwakes mostly hunt small fish and marine invertebrates. They are a delight to birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts, and they play a big part in the marine ecosystem. The average lifespan of a kittiwake is 20 to 25 years, though this can vary based on a number of factors, including environmental conditions, food availability, and predator activity. They add to the biodiversity of marine and coastal ecosystems and have an amazing lifespan. 9. Storm petrels. Small and nimble seabirds, storm petrels are distinguished by their amazing behaviors and adaptations. They can be found all over the world in coastal areas and oceans, usually in choppy waters. Some of these birds can live up to 20 years, which is a relatively long lifespan. Storm petrels use their nimble flight abilities to forage on the water's surface, where they mainly eat plankton and small fish. They have a reputation for being able to dance on the water as they search for food. Storm petrels reproduce by laying a single egg in burrows or cracks in the rock on isolated islands or cliffs along the coast. The tasks of incubation and chick rearing are shared by both parents. They have exceptional flying agility as well as a special foraging method. 8. Manx Shearwaters. Seabirds of interest, Manx Shearwaters are distinguished by their distinct features and habits. They breed on isolated islands and cliffs in the North Atlantic Ocean and its surrounding waters. Some of these birds can live up to 50 years or more, which makes them renowned for their extraordinary longevity. Being carnivores, Manx Shearwaters mostly consume zooplankton, squid, and small fish. They are expert divers who hunt prey underwater by using their wings for navigation. Manx Shearwaters establish lifelong monogamous relationships when it comes to reproduction. On their breeding islands, they typically deposit a single egg in rocky crevices or burrows in the late spring. The role of incubation and chick raising is shared by both parents. They can fly and swim quite well, among their other amazing abilities. During their migration, Manx Shearwaters can travel great distances because of their agility in the air. Scientists are interested in their precise navigational abilities. 7. Pelicans. Pelicans are unusual waterfowl distinguished by their size and distinct physical characteristics. They are found all over the world, living on different continents and in different regions, but they especially like rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. Depending on the species, their average lifespan normally varies from 10 to 25 years. These amazing birds are mostly piscivorous, meaning that the primary food source is fish. While swimming, they use their remarkable throat pouches to collect fish. Usually on the ground or in trees, pelicans build their nests in colonies. Their nests are made of sticks and plants and are rather simple constructions. Pelicans are amazing birds of prey, capable of diving from great heights to capture fish, soaring elegantly over the water, and forming coordinated hunting formations. 6. Blue-footed booby. A fascinating seabird, the blue-footed booby is mainly found in areas like the Galapagos Islands along the Pacific coasts of the Americas. During their courtship displays, they flaunt their remarkable bright blue feet, which are well known for their beauty. The average lifespan of a blue-footed booby is 17 to 23 years. Their primary food is fish, and they especially like small schooling species like anchovies and sardines. They are amazing divers, diving into the water to capture their meal from the air. Blue-footed boobies perform complex courtship dances during breeding season, which feature them showcasing their eye-catching blue feet. Usually, they build basic nests out of twigs and other vegetation while they are on the ground. Penguin. The rare seabirds known as penguins flourish in the southern hemisphere thanks to incredible adaptations. Their waterproof, densely packed feathers and flipper-like wings allow for efficient swimming. They evolved for cold environments. Leaping out of the water and porpoising helps with breathing and avoiding predators. They are carnivores and consume krill, squid, and fish. Penguins share parental responsibilities and are recognized for their colonial nesting and monogamous pairings. Various species have distinct characteristics, such as gentoo, emperor, and king penguins. In colonies, body language and vocalizations are essential forms of communication. Threats from overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change make conservation efforts essential, underscoring the need to save these endearing birds. Striking seabirds. The striking seabirds called gannets are well known for their spectacular plunge diving habits. They are found mostly along the coasts of the North Atlantic and North Pacific Oceans, frequently building their nests on rocks and islands. The typical lifespan of these birds is 20 to 25 years. Because gannets are carnivores, their main source of food is fish, especially mackerel and herring. They can dive from great heights into the ocean to capture their prey, making them excellent divers. Every year, gannets return to their nesting colonies to reproduce in monogamous pairs. In their nest, which is essentially a scrape on the ground made of grass or seaweed, they usually lay a single egg. The role of incubation and chick raising is shared by both parents. Frigatebirds. Frigatebirds are primarily found in tropical and subtropical areas of the Americas, Africa, Asia, and the Pacific Islands. These areas include coastlines, islands, and open waters. These birds live remarkably long lives, often 20 to 30 years. They are skilled hunters that mostly eat fish, squid, and other aquatic life. They are also well known for their kleptoparasitism, which involves stealing food from other seabirds while they are in midair. On some islands, they build their nests in bushes, trees, or even the ground. Males inflate a characteristic bright red throat pouch to attract females during courtship. They typically lay a single egg, and the parents take turns caring for the chicks during the incubation process. Frigatebirds are well known for their remarkable flying abilities. Their long, pointed wings allow them to fly for extended periods of time without flapping and to glide with remarkable efficiency. 2. Puffins. The shores of northern Europe, North America, and Asia are home to puffins, beautiful seabirds of the North Atlantic and North Pacific. Their burrows are located on cliffs and islands, and they have an impressive lifespan of 20 to 30 years. Skilled divers who hunt small fish such as capelin, herring, and sand eels, they are carnivores. Puffins are monogamous, coming back to lay the same egg every spring or summer. Incubation and chick raising are shared by both parents, indicating a committed collaboration. Their nests, made in natural clefts or burrows, are cozy and furnished with grass, feathers, and other materials. Puffins are skilled both in the air and the water, using their bright beaks for captivating courtship displays and their short wings for underwater fishing. Naturalists adore these seaside charmers for their versatility and attractiveness. 1. Albatrosses. Pelagic birds, albatrosses spend most of their lives at sea and only come ashore to breed. They travel across great oceanic stretches, especially in the North Pacific and the Southern Ocean close to Antarctica. All albatross species live in the ocean, despite having different ranges. These seabirds have some of the longest lifespans. The wandering albatross, for example, can live for up to 50 years. They follow ships to feed on food that has been abandoned, and they have excellent scavenging skills. Their carnivorous diet consists of fish, squid, and marine life. Albatross courtship rituals are known to be complex and lifelong. Their reproductive process is slow, producing only one chick every 1 to 2 years. The female deposits a single egg in a carefully built nest on secluded islands, shielded from predators on land. Their largest wingspan among birds contributes to their amazing flying ability, which allows them to glide over great distances with little wing flapping.